Hello, listeners. This is Shweta Shroff, Assistant Vice President at ICRA Limited. And through this podcast, I will be sharing ICRA's view on residential real estate segment. The Indian residential real estate sector has entered a stabilizing phase in FY 2025 to FY 2026 after a robust growth period at a CAGR of 26% during FY 2022 to FY 2024. ICRA projects a marginal decline of 0 to 3% in area sold across the top 7 cities, reaching 620 to 640 million square foot in FY 2026. This follows an 8% drop in FY 2025 to 643 million square foot, driven by a sharp contraction in launches and moderation in sales velocity, particularly in the affordable and mid segments, which declined by 15% and 11% respectively. In contrast, the luxury segment grew by 7% in FY 2025 and continues to gain momentum, with its share in total sales rising to 33% in Q1 FY 2026 from 28% in FY 2024. Launches, which declined by 14% in FY 2025, are expected to recover by 4 to 7% in FY 2026, reaching 630 to 650 million square foot. This growth is supported by spillover from the previous year and healthy unsold inventory levels. Average selling prices rose sharply by 16% in FY 2025 and are projected to increase by another 6 to 8% in FY 2026. This sustained price growth is driven by the increasing share of luxury housing, low inventory overhang, and improved pricing power among the prominent listed developers. However, the consistent rise in average selling prices over 10% annually from FY 2023 to FY 2025 has impacted affordability, contributing to the slowdown in sales momentum. The sector continues to witness consolidation, accelerated by structural reforms like GST and RERA. These reforms have penalized weaker players and shifted market share to reputed developers. The share of key listed developers in total sales value rose to 20% in FY 2025 from 13.1% in FY 2020. These players have deleveraged significantly over the past 2 to 3 years and are expected to outperform the broader market. While debt may rise moderately in FY 2026 to support growth, leverage is expected to remain comfortable, backed by strong collections and operating cash flows. ICRA's outlook on residential real estate sector remains stable. Thank you for listening and stay tuned for our upcoming podcasts.